Shield AI and Airbus are in a partnership. Shield's providing the mission autonomy for the aircraft. Airbus is providing the platform and the platform autonomy for the mission. Today was the second flight test event where we were looking at the integration of waypoint navigation onto the aircraft using the Hivemind system.
It's always challenging integrating on a new platform because you're learning a new interface and you have to go fly a thing that you haven't flown before. Hivemind interacts at sort of a top level waypoint or heading speed, altitude level of tasking. Hivemind is able to integrate with those irrespective of whether they're fixed wing or rotary.
Since the pilot is always in the loop, he can always assume control of the aircraft if it's doing something unexpected, switch to the other autopilot, and then we're basically back to flying the basic aircraft. So because of that, we're able to do the fly, fix, fly coupled with some simulation on the back end to figure out what the behaviors were and then adjust from there. Airbus being a premier provider of this kind of vehicle, they know the helicopter really well. So it allows Shield to do what we do best and Airbus to do what they do best. Really blending the two is not quite as difficult as you might think because we're still providing the same mission function as we would any other platform.
Airbus is a big company, but in many cases they moved like a startup insofar as being scrappy and quick, and so it was a very strong partnership for us to get to the flight test at the same time. Airbus, of course, providing the platform and the autopilot engineers to meet us on the side where we provide the autonomy.
We've been flying this aircraft with Hivemind for about 2 weeks now. The biggest thing is the fact that in those 2 weeks of time, we were able to achieve a fully automated takeoff to landing using just the mission system.
So our Hivemind Solutions team now has a pedigree on 15 plus platforms deploying Hivemind in unique CONOPS, unique platforms, unique environments. One thing that makes it quite easy for Shield, or I should say certainly achievable, is that Hivemind is made to be interoperable, platform agnostic, and we've done this now on 15 plus platforms.